Hey friends, welcome back to a new video. It seems like you don't have much time today, so let's skip the intro and just jump right into this short video and short practice today. Let's come into a comfortable seat. You can either sit on the heels or cross-legged, hero's pose, or cross-legged seat, you decide. Sit nice and tall. Close your eyes for just a few breaths. We still want to take a moment to arrive. Start to feel the own body. Just check in how you're feeling today. Start to feel your breath coming in and out through the nose. Let's take about 3 more nice and slow breaths in and out through the nose. Take also that time and opportunity to set an intention for your practice today. And slowly blink your eyes open. Find your way into a tabletop, come onto all fours. Now bring the shoulders over the wrists, the hips above the knees. Untuck your toes. On your inhale, arch your back, look forward. Exhale, round your back, tuck the chin to the chest, push the ground away. Inhale, arch your back, look forward. And exhale, round. Let's do one more just like this with your own breath. And back to neutral. Come onto your toes, maybe walk the hands more forward. And then come into a downward facing dog, send the hips up and back. Keep the knees bent for now. Press into your palms, move the chest towards the thighs. Really push the ground away, focus on opening the shoulders more. Then hide your heels behind the ankles. Start to slowly straighten your legs, but as soon as you start to round your back, then you have straightened your legs too much. Bend the knees again, move the chest to the thighs, and then just stay there. Maybe walk your dog, pedal one heel down to the ground, and then the other. Reconnect to the breath, nice and slow, in and out through the nose. On your inhale, roll through the spine forward for a plank pose. Bring the shoulders over the wrists. Tuck your tailbone, engage the core. Push the ground away. Externally rotate the arms. Stay here a couple of breaths. If you want, you can shift forward and back to warm up the wrist a little bit. The video is so short today, we didn't even have time for a wrist warm up, which I usually don't feel good skipping. But since it's such a short class today and there were so many requests for a short practice like this, I'll do my best to deliver a short but still good class. Now bring the feet together, big toes are touching. Find a side plank on the left. Reach your right arm up towards the sky. Press into your left hand, rotate the left upper arm more forward. Now push both of your hips a little bit more forward and lift especially the lower hip, the left hip, higher up. So we start to engage the left side body here. Keep the breath going. Now draw the right knee to your right armpit. Hold it there. Breathe. Keep the breath going. Look inside the left hand. Slowly step the right foot there for a low lunge. Set the left knee down and rise up. Either hands on the right thigh or knee, or reach the arms up and over your head. I like to stay on my left toes, but if you want, you can also untuck the toes. Send the hips forward and down. At the same time, pull the right heel back a bit more. Press the left knee forward so we find a good active foundation here in the lower body. Now start to release the hands down to the ground. Straighten your right leg, heel toe the right foot forward for half splits. So you want to have the left hip right above the left knee. Flex your right foot, take a deep breath in. Exhale, fold forward and down. Repeat, inhale to lengthen. Exhale, fold. One more, inhale to lengthen. Exhale, fold. Rebend the right knee again. We're coming back to a low lunge. Now reach both arms up and over your head again. Come onto your left toes if you're not already. And find a good foundation with your right foot and your left toes. Start to lift your left knee up off the ground just a little bit. So you want to stay pretty low to the ground to bring most of the weight and the load into the right thigh. It's designed to do all the work, so let's use it for that as well. Reach out through the fingertips. Pull the lower belly in. Keep the breath going. Make sure you can see the right big toe and maybe the toe next to it inside the right knee. If that's uncomfortable for the lower back, this crescent lunge, then bend your left knee more. Move the left heel more forward, so we're also stretching out the left toes and the left foot. Now reach the left arm forward, the right arm behind you for open twist. With every inhale, you lengthen out through the spine. On the exhale, you pull the right shoulder more back behind you. With your next nice and slow inhale, reach the left arm up, the right arm forward. Find a spider lunge to the left. Straighten your right leg, bend the left. Slowly come down. And maybe for you the left heel is lifted. That's perfectly fine. From here we're moving towards the front of the mat for a plank pose. Frame the right foot. Step the right foot back. Plank pose. Clean it up. Find your plank. Make it good. Keep the breath going. On your inhale, shift forward, come high onto your toes, bend your arms, lower all the way down to the ground. Untuck the toes, bring the hands slightly forward, then press into your palms for cobra pose. Engage your glutes. Look down to the ground in front of you, or straight ahead. Squeeze the shoulder blades together, and relax the shoulders down away from the ears. Last deep breath in. Exhale, release everything down. Shake out the hips, then send the hips back for child's pose. And let's come back to downward facing dog. Send the hips up and back. Arrive, breathe, slow the breath down. And be proud of yourself for showing up today. Even though you don't have much time for whatever reason, it doesn't matter. You still decided to do just a little bit for the body, for yourself, some dedicated me time for some self-care before you head on with your day. Now roll through the spine forward on your inhale. Find plank pose again. Press into the palms. Tuck your tailbone, engage the core. Bring the feet together. Find the side plank on the right side. Nice and slow. Reach the left arm up. Rotate the right upper arm forward. Slightly move the hips forward and lift your right hip up. Hold it there and breathe. Keep reaching out through the left fingertips up towards the ceiling. Then start to draw the left knee to your left armpit. Hold it there. Look inside the right hand. Slowly step the foot there. Low lunge, set the right knee down. Whenever you're ready, hands to the left knee or reach your arms up. You decide what the right toes are doing. I like to stay on the toes, as I said before, but really up to you. Engage your core so we come out of the back bend a little bit. Look inside the left knee, make sure you can see the big toe there, just like in crescent lunge. Let's take one more last deep breath in. Exhale, release the hands down. Half splits, heel toe the left foot forward. At least for me, I need to do this because I have longer legs. Flex the left foot. Inhale, lengthen out through the spine. Exhale, fold forward and down. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale, fold. Let's do one more just like this with the breath. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to fold. Rebend the left knee. Low lunge again. Reach both arms up. Find a good foundation here with the left foot and the right toes. When you feel ready, lift the right knee up for a really low crescent lunge. Check in with the left knee, the left big toe. You want to see the big toe inside the knee. Move the right heel more forward. Pull the lower belly in. Reach out through the arms. And breathe, of course. Nice and slow through the nose. Reach your right arm forward, the left arm behind you for an open twist. With every inhale, lengthen out through the spine. On your exhale, you rotate to the left even more. With your next nice and slow inhale, reach the right arm up, the left arm forward, spider lunge to the right on the exhale. Bend your right knee, straighten the left. Move to the front of the mat, again for plank pose. Step the left foot back. Tuck your tailbone, engage the core. On your next inhale, shift forward, come high onto your toes. Bend your arms, chaturanga. Straighten the arms again, plank. Let's do one more, shift forward. Bend your arms, lower all the way down to the ground. Cobra pose again. Slide the hands forward, press into your palms, lift the chest up. Engage your glutes. Or if you want, take upward facing dog, where you straighten the arms fully. Pull the shoulders back and down. Offer the heart forward. Wherever you are, cobra or up dog, keep the glutes engaged. That means flex your butt as much as you can, your butt cheeks. Let's take 2 more deep breaths here. On your exhale, move the hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Or from cobra, find your way into down dog. Slowly set the knees down. Find a seated position again. Could be again hero's pose or cross-legged. Let's just sit for a couple of breaths. Sit nice and tall. Close your eyes if it's comfortable. Let's finish up this practice together with just 3 deep breaths. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Open mouth, let it all go. 2 more just like this. Beautiful job today. I recommend staying in the seated position for just a couple of minutes to slow down, get the breath down, the heart rate down, so that you can find this more peaceful state within before you roll up your mat and continue with your day. Thanks so much for practicing with me today. Have a wonderful day ahead, and I see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Namaste.